Are you looking for a single-family home with all the benefits of an income-producing property? The primary residence here at 147 Lexington Street in Watertown has more than meets the eye. The layout and the high-quality renovations provide a light and bright two-bedroom unit. However, there's also an ensuite bedroom downstairs with its own entrance. Renovations to the primary unit feature a serious cook's kitchen, hardwood flooring, terrific storage space, including a cedar closet, fenced-in backyard with a deck, and a bonus room perfect for use as a family room or an art studio with a sink. The tenant in the top floor rental unit has a lease through May of 2020. Too much possibility to process? Come see it in person.